All right.
What starts as a simple seatbelt stop is about to spiral into a web of lies that will leave this officer questioning everything. We're diving into a body cam footage that shows how quickly a routine traffic violation can turn into a criminal investigation when someone decides to play games with law enforcement. You're about to witness deception, family drama, and the moment when being honest could have saved someone from jail time. But some people just can't help themselves from digging a deeper hole. Let's break down exactly where this all went wrong.
Good, how are you?
Cold as hell.
Yeah, it is pretty cold out. What you doing here?
Walking.
Okay, she said that you've been here for a while. Do you mind
No,
if we
she's
talk?
a lying bitch.
Do you mind if we talk outside, Shakira?
I don't give a damn what we do. She
Okay.
can't identify me as nothing
Okay.
but black in America. Thanks.
Can we talk outside real quick? Grab your stuff?
Who is we?
You and I.
You and I and who else?
Talk
They don't
outside.
understand how to mind their own damn flea bag ass business.
All right,
Cause I watch your ass while you watch everybody else.
Can you grab it?
Every morning.
Grab your stuff for me.
What the do it look like I'm doing? Ma'am. Oh, you and this Wisconsin damn ass cheese that is curdled. Your mama's crazy. No, your mama's crazy. You don't drunk last night.
Stop.
Your mama is a bitch.
Stop talking to
And
her.
your flea
Stop
bag
talking to her.
whore.
Please grab your stuff.
Please.
Yeah. We can talk outside.
Sure can.
Absolutely.
Because I'm done talking.
Okay, let's go.
Motherfucker, unleash the beast on the. Why are you waiting for me to follow you? Hell no, you walk. I'll follow you, bro.
Okay. Well, it's officer safety. I don't like people walking
They
behind
ain't
me.
got shit to do with me. She called 12.
Okay.
I was sitting on the toilet.
I understand.
No, you don't.
Can you please walk outside so you and I can discuss what's going on?
Can you please not tell me what to do, ma'am?
Well, she's asking you to leave.
I don't give a fuck what she's doing. What's her motherfucking name?
All right, come on.
Thanks.
You want me to walk first? Let's go.
Yes. No,
Good.
you're not gonna shoot me nowhere.
If you don't leave right now, you're gonna go to jail for trespass after
Who gives
warning.
a fuck?
Do you want to go to jail?
Call my motherfucking lawyer right now, cause I already posted bail for you fucking hoes. And as soon as you motherfucking book me and touch me, oh, it's gonna be a motherfucking ride. Like I give a fuck what she do or say. Tell your mama, save the drama for your mama, darling.
Can you please open the door? No? I'll be right back with you.
Hola, papi. ¿Cómo estás?
So what are you doing all the way over here?
I live in Charlotte County and I pay
I
my
know.
taxes.
I've met you before. You live off of...
You don't know shit about me.
Okay. Met you
You're not
before.
gonna threaten me.
I'm not
Because
threatening
you already
you.
threatened me. She already threatened me.
Okay.
Nobody's gonna touch me.
Okay, I'm not going to. But you understand that I'm going to issue you a trespass warning.
Okay,
and you're going to be
good.
trespassed.
When is the fucking court date?
You're
You're
not-
always saying there's a fucking trespass on me from everywhere.
There's no court date.
Yeah, I'm showing up for everybody trespassing.
So I'm going to issue you your
I
trespass
don't
warning.
give a fuck what you issuing, ho.
Okay.
It's raining.
Yep. So if you don't leave after you're issued that, you're going to go to jail. Okay?
And
Just letting you know, I'm going to start that trespass warning now.
go motherfucking go call the cavalry.
We're gonna just write you a warning.
Court date?
No, it's not a court date. It's not a court date. You don't have to go to court for this. We write you a trespass, and then you just take off. That's it. It's simply saying that if you return
I'm
to
gonna
this
return
location,
every motherfucking morning.
well, if you do that, you will
I
be
don't
arrested.
give a fuck about none of that. I already passed the ball.
So what are you planning on doing the rest of the day? Because it's raining.
Who the f knows?
Does your plan involve going across that bridge? Because it's nicer on that side of the bridge. Go to Punta Gorda. They're a lot nicer over there. And
I grew up over here. Thank you.
If she returns at all, just give us a call.
Okay.
She's going to be explained that if she returns,
Okay.
she's going to go to jail.
So the always want to motherfucking tell somebody I don't give a fuck about none of that. Yeah.
Shakira, are you still staying off of... What happened? You need a ride back to your house?
No.
No? Well, I know it's raining. We want to make sure you got a safe
You
place to
don't
stay.
have to. You don't have to make sure of anything. Because every time I call the motherfucking house or put the ass cracker walk up in my motherfucking house, thinking they gonna tase me from the window.
Okay.
No one's when they stop my motherfucking heart, and I have epilepsy.
Okay. Well, like I explained, I'm issuing you a trespass. Okay.
Blah blah blah. Man.
So if you don't leave, all right.
Who cares?
If you don't leave right now, you're going to jail.
Yeah. Make me. Make me. Who's on shift now? Right now.
Do you have stuff with you?
On shift right now. I'm gonna get that bitch.
Do you have property with you? All your stuff?
Yeah.
Stuff.
She's threatened me.
She's not threatening.
Threatened me the last motherfucking night. She think that shit is cute.
Listen.
I don't think it's cute.
We already gave you the trespass warning. At this point, you got to start making efforts to leave. Can we do that today?
Who cares? Who really gives a fuck? Because I went over there to the motherfucking watermelon, flea bag ass, St. Vincent de Paul, fish market, flea market, whatever, watermelons. I go over there to the fucking lodge. I'm a member of the Legion. Every veteran knows me.
You've already been trespassed from this location. Can we start moving along? That way you don't get yourself arrested or in any trouble.
I'm a lawyer.
Help us out.
Lawyers.
All we're asking you is to leave, or you can go to jail.
Me shit, bitch.
Okay, I'm telling you to leave.
You ain't telling me shit. I told you to leave me alone. I told her to mind her goddamn P's.
Well, this is a business.
And it's not running.
Okay.
Today.
Well, you've been trespassed from here. You can't return and you need to leave.
And?
It's called trespass after warning. So you can either leave right now or you can go to jail. Okay?
Let's go to jail. Don't touch me, bitch. I'll get in the car.
You need to leave.
Who is talking to?
All right, so I'm gonna ask you one last time. Can you leave before we arrest you?
Can we leave before we arrest you?
We're trying to be very understanding.
Where's Lawson?
He's off today. He's off.
He ain't.
Yes,
No,
he
he
is.
ain't. No, he ain't. No, he ain't. He's in here watching me.
We're trying to be understanding, and we're trying to get you.
I'm not gonna never understand why people. Oh, now you think I need a baker rack because you know more than this, right?
All right, so are you gonna move it along, or do we have to take you to jail?
Take me wherever you gotta go.
Where's your stuff? Is that stuff yours over there?
Jane Doe. Period.
Okay.
All right.
Because if you fucking touch me, y'all past motherfuckers already violated my human rights.
We didn't violate your rights. We're asking you to leave. You've been trespassed.
You're not asking me shit.
You're
not telling me shit.
You need to leave.
No, I don't need to do shit.
You need to leave or you're going to jail. You need to leave or you're going to jail.
Touch me, I'm gonna punch you in shit. I'm gonna tee off on this hoe. I'm telling you.
Let's go.
Please just go.
Please, back the fuck off. I'ma stand right motherfucking here.
Alright.
Till my motherfucking ride pull up.
Put your stuff down.
I ain't putting nothing down. I'ma stand right the fuck here.
Alright, so I'm gonna place you in cuffs right now because right now you're under arrest. Alright.
Who cares?
Alright, put your stuff down. Your stuff.
Don't push me. Don't touch me.
Why not? I'm trying to. Alright.
Put your stuff down.
Oh, wonderfully. They always want to take it to jail. Don't
drop the stuff.
I'm not dropping nothing. If you fucking touch me, bro. Let's go. It's got enough holes. I'm pregnant, and you keep on saying to me. Thanks. They correct, because I already called my lawyer. If you shoot me again,
Alright.
you're going to have to.
You wanna let me put you in cuffs?
I'm in cuffs, ain't I?
Alright, come on.
No, you're not going to touch me. You're not going to violate me at all.
Lay on your stomach.
For what?
You're being placed under arrest.
You're violating my human rights. Stop fucking touching me. You will not fucking hurt me. You are not allowed to touch me. Lawyer! Oh, assassination! Take me to jail, bitch. I already already posted bail. Let's run GTL motherfucking crazy. They trespass every black person that walks in or out of a building. And I'm pregnant.
On your feet, come on.
No, I'm not f***ing moving. Period. You tired, rodeo cowboy? Now you violated my human rights.
I'm gonna grab my taser removals, okay?
Grab everything you motherfucking got. Cause when the hospital show up, they gonna be in a stretcher.
Clear emergency traffic.
You want to keep on playing with me? It's gonna be a lifetime ban on everybody that touches me now. Don't push out. Don't push out.
Relax.
You relax, motherfucker.
Are you gonna get on your feet?
No, I'ma lay right here. Wait for a stretcher. Cause that's what you gonna be on. Shots fired! Just cause you white, you think you better than somebody?
Nope.
You ain't got no kids, right? Or you just gave away the pussy. And people getting raped because of dumb bitches like you. Alert, 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 alert. Kill me there, hoe.
Are you gonna help us get you up?
How am I gonna help you when I told you to back away so I can walk, right? You don't give a fuck. We going to the door with this. Supreme motherfucker.
Turn her on her side.
Period. Don't fucking grab shit.
Get up.
I'm not moving. I'm not resisting. Y'all the ones that tased me, right? You know I got nerve damage in my foot. I'm legally blind without glasses. So now you want to sit here and show my titties like you own me, right? Please. Thank you. It's disrespectful. I want documented pictures with DNA linking to the epileptic seizures from Seroquel and Depakote. Pfizer is killing people.
Let's get up.
I'm not getting up. I'm gonna sit right here, darling.
Shakira.
Bro, no, you're not gonna kill me.
Trying to find the other pro.
Nah, fuck that. It's in my hip. Don't fucking touch me. No, you gonna force me. When I spawn the Satan, he's gonna kill all y'all.
You okay? You feeling okay?
I've been feeling okay. I've been feeling aggravated, and people wanna look me in my eyes like they know me. Cause people replicate who the f I am. Right.
I'm gonna need a sworn statement from you real quick. I'm gonna ask you to raise your right hand for me. Do you swear from the statement you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. What happened here this morning? Why was law enforcement called to this gas station?
The lady who's outside, she came in to use the bathroom. She was in there for like 45 minutes, so I knocked on the door because I thought she might be using drugs because people do that. And then she just started with the F-bomb and calling me the B word. And I said, okay, I'm going to call the police. And then she goes, call the MF and police. So I called 911. And then you came. And then that's when you started talking to her. And that's all. I just wanted her to leave the bathroom. But
Absolutely.
Every child that has ever nursed from me loves me. I have 6 grandchildren now confirmed from one bloodline. And my titties are engorged.
After being medically cleared, it's time for officers to get the suspect in a car.
Well, let's take you somewhere where it's a little bit warmer out of the rain, all right? You want your shoes on? Want your shoes on?
For what? So y'all can search it and put a tracer in it? Nah, bruh.
And we're offering to put your shoes on so you can walk to the car.
I'm not walking nowhere.
We're gonna take you to the car now, all right?
Call 911, because it's about to be a massive f***ing genocide. You do what you like, not what you want. So you gonna carry me around like a flea bag wonderfully. I'm not getting up. That I wanted her not to touch me. I wanted her to stop commanding me to do shit. She don't know me. I don't want shit, bro. And if I end up dead, I'll be at the funeral.
Folks, what we just witnessed is a textbook example of how quickly a simple civil matter can escalate into a criminal arrest, and there are so many layers to unpack here that will blow your mind. Let's break down what really happened from a legal perspective. This case started as a basic trespassing situation. Shakira was asked to leave a private business after spending 45 minutes in the bathroom, which the business owner reasonably suspected might involve drug use. Under property law, business owners have the absolute right to ask anyone to leave their premises for any reason, and once that request is made, remaining on the property becomes criminal trespass. But here's where it gets fascinating from a constitutional standpoint. Notice how the officers handled this initially. They didn't immediately arrest Shakira. Instead, they issued what's called a trespass warning, which is actually a legal courtesy that gives the person one final opportunity to leave voluntarily before facing criminal charges. This is standard police procedure, and it shows these officers were trying to de-escalate rather than escalate the situation. Now, let's talk about Shakira's behavior and the legal implications. Throughout this entire encounter, she repeatedly used profanity, made threats, and showed complete disregard for lawful police orders. From a behavioral analysis perspective, this demonstrates what experts call oppositional defiance, a pattern where someone consistently refuses to comply with authority figures, often making situations worse for themselves. The moment that really caught my attention was when Shakira said, "Take me wherever you got to go and let's go to jail." Legally speaking, this is crucial because it demonstrates what courts call willful noncompliance. She wasn't confused about her options. She understood she could leave or be arrested, and she actively chose arrest. This completely undermines any potential defense claiming she didn't understand the consequences of her actions. But then, we get to the really controversial part, the use of force. When Shakira refused to comply with arrest procedures and wouldn't allow herself to be handcuffed, the officers deployed a taser. Now, this is where public opinion often gets divided, but let's look at the legal standards. Police are authorized to use reasonable force to effect an arrest, and when someone actively resists, less lethal options like tasers are generally considered appropriate under Graham v. Connor, the Supreme Court case that governs police use of force. However, the situation becomes more complex when Shakira claims she's pregnant. This raises serious questions about duty of care and whether officers should have called for medical assistance immediately. Pregnancy doesn't exempt someone from arrest, but it does create additional responsibilities for officer safety protocols and medical clearance procedures. What's particularly striking is Shakira's repeated references to her human rights being violated and demands for her lawyer. While everyone has the right to an attorney, this right typically applies after arrest and during interrogation, not during the arrest process itself. Her claims about human rights violations appear to stem from a fundamental misunderstanding of how police authority works in trespassing situations. The business owner's sworn statement at the end provides crucial context that validates the officer's response. She clearly articulated that Shakira was asked to leave, became verbally abusive, and that law enforcement was called as a last resort. This testimony would be vital in any subsequent criminal proceedings. From a broader societal perspective, this case highlights several important issues. First, it shows how mental health crises often intersect with the criminal justice system. The officer's final comment about mental health disturbance calls suggests they recognized this wasn't just a simple trespassing case, but someone potentially dealing with underlying issues. Second, it demonstrates the challenges officers face when trying to balance compassion with law enforcement. These officers spent considerable time trying to convince Shakira to leave voluntarily, showing more patience than legally required, yet still faced resistance and accusations of misconduct. The legal outcome here would likely include charges for trespassing after warning, resisting arrest, and possibly disorderly conduct. If Shakira's pregnancy claims are verified, this could influence sentencing, but wouldn't negate the underlying criminal behavior. What makes this case so compelling is how it perfectly illustrates the difference between what people think their rights are versus what their legal rights actually are. Shakira clearly believed she had the right to remain on private property and resist police orders, but the law simply doesn't support those beliefs. This body cam footage serves as a powerful educational tool about property rights, police procedures, and the consequences of non-compliance with lawful orders. It's a stark reminder that understanding the law isn't optional. It's essential for navigating these situations successfully. If you found this case as shocking and complex as we did, make sure to hit that like button because these legal breakdowns take serious research and analysis. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the officers handled this appropriately, or should they have taken a different approach? And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell because we're bringing you the most jaw-dropping body cam footage with expert legal commentary that you won't find anywhere else. Share this video with anyone who needs to understand how quickly these situations can escalate because knowledge is power, and these real-world examples could save someone from making the same mistakes.